Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Avenal local and long-distance movers near me. By using our long-distance movers, you get the solutions you require for a much simpler move. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, we can help. Our moving services provide you with all the right choices to individualize your move for your particular needs. Working with us provides an easy access to all the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. It may not be simple to reconcile the expenses of working with the California Moving Company. A better look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company may help you understand why it's a practical choice. Any decent moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. Movers may also ensure you don't have to stress over injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of qualified movers will definitely help ensure your move is extremely efficient. Moving day gets much simpler with 3 movers because we simplify your whole entire move. A move that may take you all weekend to finish, we can take care of in one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Avenal moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.